My name is Lisa. I am 37 years old. I am married. My husband's name is Paul, and he is much older than me. Paul is 59 years old. We have been married for 19 years. Paul and I have 2 daughters. Our first daughter is 18 years old. Our second daughter is only 1 year old. We live a simple life. Paul works, and I stay home. I take care of the house and our children. Everything seemed fine. But now, my life is very sad and difficult. One day, I found out something very bad. Paul has a girlfriend. I was very sad and shocked. Paul is my husband. We have been together for a long time. I thought he loved me. But now, I am not sure. I tried to talk to Paul about it. I asked him, Paul, is this true? Do you have a girlfriend? But he was angry. He said, you are making a problem for no reason. But I knew it was true. I knew Paul was hiding something. I wanted to know more. So, one night, I checked Paul's phone. Paul saw me and got very angry. He shouted at me. He said, why are you checking my phone? You have no right. I was scared, but I needed answers. Later, I looked at his phone bill. I saw a strange phone number. Paul called this number many times. He called this number almost every day. I called the number. A woman answered. She was Paul's girlfriend. She is the same age as me. She has a daughter, and she is also married. She told me, it is not my problem if my husband finds out. I was shocked. I felt so sad. My heart was broken. I talked to Paul again. I told him I knew the truth. But Paul was angry again. He said, I will end it when I want. You cannot tell me what to do. I cried. Paul cheated on me before. This happened when our first daughter was born. Now, with our second daughter, it is happening again. I need him, but he is with someone else. I am on leave from work to take care of our baby. I cannot go back to work yet. We have a loan for our apartment. The apartment is in my name, but we pay for it together. Soon, our child payments will stop, and we need Paul's money for our family. Paul knows this, so he feels powerful. He thinks he can do whatever he wants. He says he can even have another girlfriend if he wants. He does not care about my feelings. Our older daughter tries to talk to him. She says, Dad, this is wrong. Please stop. But he gets angry. He says bad words to her too. He is hurting us all. We feel very alone. One day, Paul stopped coming home at night. He said he was working late, but I did not believe him. He did not call me. He did not send me any messages. I stayed up all night, waiting for him. I was worried and scared. In the morning, he came home, but he was angry. He said, stop asking me questions. I am tired of this. Another day, he told me he wanted to go on a trip. I asked him, can we go together? But he said no. He wanted to go alone. I was sad. Why did he want to go alone? Paul also started spending a lot of money. I noticed that we had less money each month. I asked him, Paul, where is the money going? He said, don't worry about it. I will handle it. But I was worried. I checked our bank account. I saw that he was spending money on gifts. I saw that he was spending money at fancy restaurants. I knew he was spending his money on his girlfriend. Now we have less money for our family. We need money for our children. We need money for our apartment. But Paul does not care. He only cares about his girlfriend. The stress started to make me feel sick. I could not sleep. I could not eat. I felt tired all the time. I went to the doctor, and he told me, you need to rest. You are too stressed. But how can I rest? I have so many problems. My husband has a girlfriend. My family needs money. I feel like I have no control over my life. Our older daughter is also feeling very sad. She does not smile as much as she used to. She does not want to talk to her friends. She feels ashamed of her father. She does not understand why he is doing this. Our younger daughter is just a baby. She does not know what is happening, but I worry about her future. I want her to have a happy family, but right now, our family is broken. I told my best friend about my problems. She said, maybe you should leave Paul. But I feel stuck. I cannot leave him because we need him. I cannot take care of the children alone. I have no job right now. I need his help. My family also told me to be strong. They said, maybe Paul will change. Maybe he will come back to you, but I am not sure. I am afraid that he will never change. I am afraid that he will always choose his girlfriend over us. I do not know what to do. I am sad and feel very weak. I still love Paul. Even with all this pain, I want him to come back to our family. I want him to remember us. I want him to leave his girlfriend, but I do not know if this will happen. I feel lost. I feel like I am in a dark place, and I cannot find my way out. Thanks for watching and listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel Storytime with Anita to keep up with my upcoming videos. Have a great day.